This is a lovely example when it comes to a people carrier. This is a Mercedes-Benz. It's a V300 AMG line in graphite grey, and it's stunning. One owner from new, full Mercedes service history. It's got a lovely silk beige interior. It is a long wheelbase with just 42,000 miles on it, 7-seater, cracking car. Great styling. You've got the lovely diamond grille, LED daytime running light with the multi-beam high assist lighting system. You've got the black inserts in the front bumper. You've got the 19-inch upgraded diamond turned wheels. More black styling around the car. But then, like I said, it's got the silk beige interior, which is lovely. Heated seats, automatic gearbox, the newer style to the dash and the media screen, multifunctional steering wheel, ambient lighting, and that's just the front cab area with leather on the dashboard, etc. But then as I open the back slider here and slide it on both sides, you've got this. 5 seats in the back here. You've got Isofix attachment, Isofix, Isofix and Isofix. That centre table which lifts up, I'll show you quickly like that, and they come out. You can slide that forwards and backwards, you can move the seats around, and then you have the twin panoramic glass roof, more ambient lighting. You've got the cup holders, lots of cubbyhole space, charging ports, everything. This is awesome. With regards to space, comfort, if you want to travel in style, this is exactly what you want. Electric doors, like I say, on both sides. Because of the AMG line, you have the upgraded bumpers in a very good condition. You can press this button here, and the window access allows you to drop one quick bag in just in case you haven't got enough room for the full swing. Or you press that button and automatically the full boot lid opens up. And being a long wheelbase means you have the seats in position, but you still got lots of boot space. NX73 OMM. If you want to get an insurance quote, but suitcases, push chairs, whatever it might be, if you're going away for the weekend, it's just right. Graphite grey is a fantastic colour. The silk beige is amazing. They both work extremely well together. Under manufacturer's warranty, touchpad in the middle there, seat adjustment, fully fitted mats, and the Mercedes entry illuminated kick plate. This is going live now, and with the live pricing, it's going to be very sensible, and I think it'll be a lot of car for the money. If you like what you see, give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.